Electric Griddle. The Chefman Electric Griddle is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to meet the diverse cooking needs of the modern home chef. Boasting a sleek black color and constructed from durable metal material, this griddle combines style with functionality to deliver exceptional performance. One of the key highlights of the Chefman Electric Griddle is its special non-stick coating, which ensures that your food cooks evenly and releases effortlessly, making cleanup a breeze. This feature not only enhances the cooking experience, but also promotes healthy cooking practices by minimizing the need for excess oil or butter. With a wattage of 1200 watts and voltage of 120, this griddle offers powerful and efficient heating capabilities, allowing you to cook your favorite dishes quickly and evenly. The adjustable cooking grill enables you to customize your cooking experience, whether you're preparing pancakes for breakfast burgers for lunch or grilled vegetables for dinner.
Electric Griddle. Bella. Electric Griddle offers a convenient solution for versatile cooking needs in the kitchen. With its sleek black design and compact dimensions of 12.59D into 22.44W into 2.95H, this griddle is not only stylish but also space-efficient, making it suitable for various kitchen setups. Crafted from durable aluminum and featuring a ceramic coating, the Bella Electric Griddle ensures even heat distribution and easy cleaning, enhancing the cooking experience. The 1500 watts power output guarantees rapid heating, enabling efficient cooking and meal preparation. One notable aspect of this griddle is its manual control with 3 different settings catering to a range of cooking requirements. Whether you're preparing a hearty breakfast, delicious lunches, or delightful dinners, the versatility offered by the Bella Electric Griddle is commendable. Moreover, the inclusion of a warming tray adds to the functionality of this product, allowing users to keep dishes warm until serving. The Bella XL Electric Ceramic Titanium Griddle offers a versatile cooking solution suitable for a wide range of needs. With its manual control feature, users can adjust the temperature with ease, making it user-friendly for individuals of any culinary skill level. The elegant copper black color scheme gives it a modern and sophisticated appearance that can complement any kitchen decor. Crafted from high-quality titanium and ceramic materials, this griddle ensures durability while providing even heat distribution for consistent cooking results. The Bella brand's reputation for reliability and performance further adds to the appeal of this product. Measuring at 11.41 inches in diameter, 23.03 inches in width, and 2.91 inches in height, the griddle offers ample space for cooking multiple items simultaneously. The 1,500 watt power output ensures fast and efficient cooking, perfect for busy households or entertaining guests.
Electric Griddle. This Presto 07047 Cool Touch. Electric Griddle is a versatile addition to any kitchen, offering a convenient and efficient way to prepare a variety of dishes. Its special feature of being programmable adds an element of customization that users will appreciate. The sleek black color and non-stick material not only enhance its visual appeal, but also make cooking and cleaning a breeze. As a product bearing the reputable Presto brand, this electric griddle meets high standards of quality and performance. With dimensions of 2.25D into 18.5W into 11.25H, it provides ample cooking space, while remaining compact enough for easy storage. The 1,300.00 wattage ensures quick and even heating, allowing for consistent results with every use. Weighing just 4.6 pounds, this electric griddle is lightweight and portable, making it perfect for both home kitchens and on-the-go cooking needs. The inclusion of the Control Master further enhances its usability, giving users greater control over.
5. Frying pan. As a professional product marketing expert, I had the opportunity to test the Bella electric skillet and frying pan. This kitchen appliance delivers a manual operation, offering users full control over their cooking experience. Crafted in a sleek copper color, the skillet adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen setting. Constructed using high-quality copper material, the Bella electric skillet and frying pan not only exude durability, but also ensure even heat distribution for optimal cooking results. The brand's commitment to quality shines through in this product, embodying reliability and functionality. Measuring at 12.2 inches in diameter, 16.73 inches in width, and 7.87 inches in height, this skillet provides ample space to cook a variety of dishes with ease. With a power wattage of 1200 watts, users can achieve efficient cooking performance while maintaining energy efficiency. Weighing only 4.7 pounds, the Bella electric skillet is lightweight and portable.
The Bella electric griddle is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to enhance your cooking experience. With its manual operation, this griddle offers a user-friendly interface suitable for everyone, from beginners to experienced cooks. The elegant black color of this electric griddle makes it a stylish addition to any kitchen decor. Crafted from durable aluminum and ceramic materials, the Bella electric griddle ensures excellent heat distribution and easy cleaning, promising a long-lasting and efficient cooking companion. As a product from the renowned brand Bella, this electric griddle embodies quality and reliability. Its compact dimensions of 12.59 inches in diameter, 22.44 inches in width, and 2.95 inches in height make it ideal for both small and large kitchen spaces. Powered by 1500 watts, this electric griddle delivers consistent and efficient cooking performance, catering to a variety of recipes with ease. Despite its power, the item weighs a mere 4.73 pounds.
The Ovente electric griddle is a versatile addition to any kitchen, offering a range of features that cater to various cooking needs. The griddle's standout feature is its adjustable temperature settings, allowing users to control the heat precisely based on the dish being prepared. This level of customization ensures consistent cooking results and enhances the overall cooking experience. Another notable feature of this griddle is the removable probe, which adds to the ease of cleaning and maintenance. The ability to detach the probe makes it convenient to store the griddle when not in use, and simplifies the cleaning process, saving time and effort for users. The Ovente electric griddle is designed with user safety in mind, featuring cool touch handles that prevent burns or accidents during cooking. This thoughtful addition enhances the griddle's usability, making it suitable for use by individuals of all cooking skill levels. In terms of design, this griddle comes in a sleek black.
The Lodge LDP-3 Cast iron rectangular reversible griddle provides a versatile cooking experience for consumers. Made of durable cast iron, this product embodies quality and durability that Lodge is well known for. The black color gives it a sleek and classic look that fits well in any kitchen. With an item weight of 9.4 pounds and product dimensions of 16.75 AL into 9.5 W into 0.63, this griddle is compact yet efficiently sized for various cooking needs. The reversible design allows for flexible use, grilling on one side and using it as a griddle on the other, offering a range of cooking options in one product. What sets this product apart is its even heat distribution and retention properties, which are characteristic of cast iron cookware. Whether you're searing steaks, cooking pancakes, or making grilled sandwiches, this griddle ensures consistent results every time. Overall, the Lodge LDP-3 cast iron rectangular reversible griddle is a reliable
Electric griddle. The Bella electric ceramic titanium griddle offers a convenient and efficient solution for cooking multiple eggs at once with its ample size and powerful performance. Featuring a sleek copper color and constructed with durable ceramic material, this griddle combines style with functionality. With a wattage of 1500 watts, the Bella electric griddle heats up quickly and evenly, ensuring consistent cooking results every time. The griddle's generous dimensions of 11.42 D into 23.15 W into 2.76 H provide ample space for preparing multiple servings simultaneously, making it ideal for busy mornings or hosting brunch gatherings. Equipped with 6 different settings, this griddle offers versatility to cater to various cooking preferences and recipes. The BPA-free construction ensures safety and peace of mind while cooking, and the included 24-inch cable length provides flexibility in positioning the griddle in your kitchen space. Designed by the reputable brand Bella,